Hey guys, it's Mason here with Carns Equipment. Right here I have a really nice Harley Freewheeler. This is a 2017. Now this is a really gorgeous orange. Now this is a used machine, so it's going to have its little blemishes here. But this is a 107. So really decent motor. Especially any of you Harley guys that know that 107 is pretty much bulletproof. Super smooth. There is a Mustang seat on this with both backrests for you and your passenger. These seats are phenomenal. Definitely one of the best seats that's out on the market. Now you have a rear storage trunk, so you can actually put things in there, do a little bit of a highway riding and be comfortable. Again, I'm going to touch on that comfortability because these freewheelers are just truly amazing. Heel toe shift 6-speed, and I mean comfortable. Now, I'm a guy who rides a Sportster with a hard seat, and let me tell you, I'm actually thinking about trading it in on this machine myself, even with it having 3 wheels. This thing is, I mean, it is comfortable. You have to come take a seat on it, take it for a test drive. Give us a call at 814-765-5684.